Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by powering off your Lenovo Vostro 3510 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the battery. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the battery compartment and gently lift the battery out. Now let's focus on the LCD cover. Using the plastic spudger, carefully pry open the edges of the LCD cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold it in place. As you work your way around, you may hear some clicks. This is normal as the clips release. Once the cover is loose, you'll need to disconnect the display cable. Locate the cable connector at the bottom of the LCD panel. Gently lift the connector using your spudger, ensuring you don't pull on the cable itself. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. With the cable disconnected, you can now fully remove the LCD cover. Take a moment to clean the internal components with your microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate, affecting performance. Now it's time to install the new LCD cover. Align it carefully with the hinges and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Make sure everything is secure before moving on. Reconnect the display cable by aligning it with the connector and pressing down until it clicks into place. This step is crucial for ensuring your display functions correctly. After reconnecting the cable, reinsert the battery and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your Lenovo Vostro 3510 to check if the new LCD cover is properly installed and functioning. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our pickup and delivery at your home service. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo Vostro 35510 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always remember to handle components gently and keep your workspace clean. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.